Welcome to Getting Started, explanation of your URL links. When you signed up with Adam, you should have received a series of emails. I know that can be a little confusing and overwhelming, so I want to make sure that you understand all the links that we sent you and how they can help you to run as efficient as possible. So to begin with, number one link, we have the Adam Software login. So here's the address, and right now for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to link to our demo site. But where it says demo, you see down below here, demo equals your Adam 3-letter code. So our email should already have your code in there, so you don't have to do anything, but just in case you lose track of it, that's where you'd enter this 3 code in order to get to the proper link. So from here, I'm going to click on this link, and this is what yours should be showing. This is our demo site. It still might have the Adam logo if you haven't sent us your logo yet, but this is where you're going to log into your software, and this is where you're going to manage all of your accounts. And we should have sent you a username and password to get in, to get started. Right here where it says login to, you're either going to be on login or you're going to be on login to. So we sent you the link, just use that link. That's why I just wanted to show there's 2 separate URL addresses for the software login. The next, number 2, is your self-service check-in. If you're going to use our check-in screen for your clients to check themselves in, the only difference is at the end here we have check-in.aspx. Everything else is the same. I click on here, show you what it looks like. This is your self-service check-in screen if you choose to use this to help in your lobby. Third one is a client portal. This is what your clients are going to be accessing, how they're going to access the software and get copies of their tax returns, send you tax documents, messages, and so on. So again, this is exactly the same, except here it's saying webinfo default.aspx. The default just means when they click on the link, if they're on a desktop, they'll see the desktop version. If they're on a mobile phone or a tablet, they'll see the mobile version. So let's click on here, and this will be their login for your clients. Number 4 is a prospect portal landing page, and that's going to be used for on your website as opposed to getting prospects sending you emails to your regular email box. They can send it as a portal message, prospect portal, and it'll come right into your Adam software. So this would be the link that you would add to your website. And going back here to client portal, this is where this link also is what you want to add to your website. Again, you don't want to have Adam_demo in there. It's going to be your 3-letter code. So this is what the prospect landing page looks like. It's just a way of your prospects contacting you to ask you questions or whatnot. It's just a way of not using your regular email. Use Adam, get them into Adam, and then you can delegate and anybody can answer the questions that their prospects may be sending to you. New client appointment for requests. So this is where your clients are actually requesting appointments, or your new clients, I should say, your prospects probably. So I left click on here, and this is what the new client appointment requests will look like, the page. So your prospects can request appointments, and then you book the appointment, and then you'd send back the confirmation. And lastly, we have new client appointments. They can schedule their appointments directly into your calendar, and this is the URL link. And again, these are all designed, if they click on it as a desktop, they'll get the desktop version. If they click on it and they have a phone, they will get the mobile version. Just make sure you use this URL, and again, replace where it says demo would be your 3-letter code. And that is for the new clients scheduling their appointment directly into your calendar. Now you may ask, what about my returning clients? Well, your returning clients are going to schedule or request their appointments through the client portal. So they would first log into the portal, then they would have a link. They could either schedule an appointment or they could request an appointment. So these are the 6 URLs that come with your Adam software. You don't have to use them all. Use as many as you'd like. Just want to make sure you get the correct address that you want to give to your web developer. Thank you.